Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night for everyone. Uh, Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present my job today. Before of that, I introduce myself first. My name Muhammad Rafi Akbar Shilmansyah. I'm from Faculty of Psychology, University of Negeri Surabaya. Uh, and my number is 2301 0664402. Okay. Nah, that was the article. The name is The Impact of Social Media on Body Image and Self-Perception Among Teenager, Risk, Relations, and Policy Implication. Down below, that was QR code. That is the source link of the article that I will discuss today. All of you guys can open that the source from article. Okay, next. Introduction. The author emphasized the study relevance by identifying social media as a key factor influencing adolescent body image. Exposure to beauty standard was not associated by body dissatisfaction, anxiety, or eating disorder by incorporating a gender perspective and the impact of COVID-19. This research became broader and more urgent. The author summarized previous research linking social media exposure, social comparison, and cultural norms to body dysfunction. However, key gaps remain: the predominance of Western-based study, the limited cross-cultural analysis, and the lack of study on long-term psychological impact. Furthermore, deciding intervention are deemed to have failed to address systemic aspect necessis- necessitating further research. Uh, Next, this study aims to analyze the influence of social media on body image across diverse group and culture, addressing a research gap. Body dissatisfaction is positioning as a global mental health issue requiring a multidisciplinary and policy approach. This study is crucial to supporting evidence-based interventions, media literacy, and culture-sensitive policy with a comprehensive introduction before delving into the match. Okay, next, I will discuss the method from search the article. First, research design. This study used a systematic literature review that, that can call SLR, designed to systematically analyze the influence of social media on body image in adolescent and young adults. Number two, data source. Articles are obtained from trust scientific databases such as PubMed, SciInfo, Scopus, Web of Science, and Google Scholar, which contain peer-reviewed journals in the fields of psychology, health, and social science. Number three, literature research strategy. Literature research was conducted using the keyword body image, social media, self-esteem, adolescence, eating disorder, and culture factor combined with Boolean operators and or to increase the accuracy and relevance of the results. Next, number four, inclusion and exclusion criteria. Inclusion criteria include peer review article within the last 10 years in English focus on adolescent and young adults and where empirical study or systematic review. Articles that were theoretical in nature, lacking data, irrelevant, or had methodological weakness were excluded. Number five, selection process. Article selection was conducted through title and abstract screening following by full text review. Each article was assessed based on methodological quality and significance of the results, and reviewed by two independent review to maintain the objectivity and validity of the research. Next, results. High social media use is closely linked to increased body dissatisfaction in adolescents and young adults. Exposure to idealized beauty context makes more than 60% of individuals more self-conscious and insecure about their appearance. The primary mechanism involved is social comparison, where adults can compare themselves to friend or influencer who display curated and edit photo. Repeat exposure to unrealistic body standards is also associated with low self-esteem, increased anxiety, and pressure to conform. High level of body dissatisfaction are linked to unhealthy eating behavior in approximately 30% of adolescent girls and 15 of adolescent boys. Although, although psychological reasons can be a protective factor, high level of anxiety and depression exacerbate body dissatisfaction. Results. Furthermore, the internal internalization of beauty standard is influenced by cultural norms that shape individual body perception. Cross-cultural studies show higher level of disaffection in regions with dominant Western beauty standards, while regions with lower digital media penetration show lower level. Overall, body dissatisfaction is influenced by a complex interaction between social media use, mental states, cultural norms, and structural factors. Next discussion from point one: influence of social media. Exposure to ideal body standard on social media encourage social compression in adolescents, increase body dissatisfaction, triggers anxiety, depression, and body modification behavior. Point two: cultural norms and beauty standards. Unrealistic ideal body standards shape guy uh, perception, encourage negative self-evaluation and unhealthy dietary behavior, especially in uh, society that associate body image with social status. For number three, mental health implication. That what's mean anxiety and depression reinforce body dissatisfaction and encourage extreme dieting and weight discrimination, making mental health treatment key. Okay, number four, family and social environment. Excessive focus on appearance within the family worsens body image, while family and friends support increase self-confidence and protect against negative media influence. And point number five, public policy and media regulation. Mental health education, media literacy, and more realistic and different content regulation are effective in reduction body dissatisfaction. And point number five, comparison with previous studies. Results are consistent with previous research that social media and culture have a strong influence with at emphasize on the role of mental health and cultural text. Next, policy implication and further research. Integrate policies based on mental education and media literacy, realistic body standard regulation, and further research on the long-term impact of social media and demographic factor are needed. Conclusion: uh, this research suggests that prolonged exposure to ideal beauty standard on social media increase body dissatisfaction, anxiety, and the risk of eating disorder in adolescents and young adults. Body image perception are influenced by social comparison, cultural normal mental health and environment factors such as peers, media, family, and policy. Therefore, multi-level interventions, strong regulation, and further cross-cultural research are needed to support healthier self-image and psychological well-being. Okay, thank you for the time. Uh, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.